I live in an area which shows up on the county GIS maps as poor valley, which usually means you have poor soil. It's not the typical reddish soil of Tennessee. One of the many problems that Gladiolas flop over long before the flower spikes come out. Supporting them is unsightly. What can I do to keep my Gladiolas from flopping over? And this is Martin from Knoxville, Tennessee. So, what do you think about that one, Doc? We had a little discussion about that.
Yeah, we did, and I don't know, you're not going to do anything to keep them from flopping.
That's going to be tough.
But you could put them closer together, so maybe they could, lean on each other. You could put them in a bed with other flowers that are a little tall and more
support.
bushy that could have some support. You could put them next to a fence or something like that, but I don't know of any way to keep them, especially when they flower. Now, he's having a problem with them doing it before flowering, which is kind of odd, but I don't know if he's in kind of a windy area or what. Where is that, Martin?
It's Knoxville.
Oh, Knoxville.
Right.
Okay. But that's a good, there's just not, other than staking them, just what I said, plant close together, plant them among other flowers that'll help hold them up, or put them against a fence or some kind of support structure.
Yeah, that's what I would think. Anything that you could think of, Mr.
Well,
John?
I'm imagining a very short fence, dark green wire kind of thing that they could lean against.
Right.
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
Yeah, I'm definitely thinking, fence with support.
Wouldn't jump out and say, I'm a fence.
Yeah.
Right. You know what else I was just thinking about, just came to mind? So is it possible to bury the corms a little deeper? I wonder if that'll do anything. If you can bury them a little deeper. And
I don't know
maybe
if it would or not.
maybe they come up a little stronger.
Yeah, he could pile dirt around them after they flop over to get them stand up.
Get them stand up? Okay.
Maybe. Yeah, as long as it's not over where the leaves come out.
Okay.
It's got to be a stem, because if he puts it over where the leaf sheaths are coming out, that probably wouldn't be good for the leaf.
Right.
But if he could do something to kind of support that stem, with some maybe even rocks or something.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking at home.
I don't know how many bulbs he's got.
Yeah.
So if he had like 100, that'd be bad.
Right, yeah, definitely have to get some type of support. But I'm thinking about those little, at home I have the little bamboo sticks.
Yeah.
Something like
That's
that.
a pain too, though.
Yeah, that's tough. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.